everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find the YouTube app on your LG TV. So it's not listed anywhere on your remote, which is kind of, I wish it was. So what we want to do is go all the way over to the App Store, so you might have to scroll to the left and go to Apps right here. And then open this up, and you might be able to find it under like Featured, but I just go to Search. And just type in YouTube right here, and you'll be able to find it a lot quicker. So let's just go to YouTube right here, and then select this. Here's YouTube. Let's go ahead and just open this up and download it, and then you can watch it as guest. And then you should be good. So just sign in with your account. Then it should be on this home screen. You can just go to it now, and then you can move it all the way to the left because I'll be using this one a lot. You should be good to go. So here's YouTube. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.